Watch AOC's brain just glitch and buffer. She's asking an important geopolitical question in Munich.
Would and should the U.S. actually commit U.S. troops to defend Taiwan if China were to move?
I think that this is such a, I think that this is of course a very longstanding policy of the United States. And I think what we are hoping for is that we want to make sure that we never get to that point. And we want to make sure that we are moving in all of our economic research and our global positions to avoid any such confrontation and for that question to even arise.
What? Now, she's supposed to be a front runner for the presidential candidate in 2028 for the Democrats. That's pretty scary.